Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Algebra I exam? This is Praxis test code 5162. Praxis 5162 is a test with several subtopics. This worked solution set covers the subtopic of functions. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Problem number 1. Which of the following statements about sequences is true? Sequences are always defined by explicit formulas. Sequences can only have a finite number of terms. Sequences can have infinite terms and may be defined explicitly or recursively. Or, sequences are only used in algebra and have no applications in other fields of mathematics. Let's clarify some common misconceptions about sequences. First, sequences are not always defined by explicit formulas. They can also be defined recursively, where each term depends on the previous ones. Second, sequences are not limited to a finite number of terms. They can be infinite, like the sequence of natural numbers. Lastly, sequences are not only used in algebra, they are utilized in calculus, number theory, computer science, and many other areas. The correct statement here is that sequences can have infinite terms and may be defined explicitly or recursively, showing their flexibility and broad applicability in various fields of mathematics. Problem number 2. Determine the behavior of the function h(x) equals -5 minus 2x. Which of the following is correct? The function is growth to the left. The function is decay to the right. The function is growth to the right. Or the function is decay to the left. Let's determine the behavior of this function. First, the statement that the function is growth to the left is incorrect. Growth requires a positive slope, but here the slope is negative. Next, the statement that the function is decay to the left is incorrect. With a negative slope, decay happens as x increases, not decreases. Now, the statement that the function is growth to the right is also incorrect. With a negative slope, the function values decrease as x increases. The correct statement is that the function is decay to the right. With a negative slope of -2, as x increases, moves right, the function values decrease, indicating decay. Problem number 3. Suppose an exponential function gt represents the growth of a bacteria colony over t hours. If the colony doubles in size every hour, which statement accurately describes the growth pattern? The size of the colony increases quadratically. The size of the colony is multiplied by 2 every hour. The size of the colony remains constant over each hour, or the size of the colony increases by 2 units every hour. Let's find the accurate description of the growth pattern here. First, the colony does not increase quadratically. Quadratic growth involves the square of time, not consistent doubling. Now, the colony size does not remain constant. Exponential growth means it changes. Following that, the colony does not increase by 2 units every hour. That would be linear growth, not exponential growth. Therefore, the correct statement is that the colony doubles every hour. Exponential growth means the size is multiplied by 2 each hour. Problem number 4. Consider a linear function f(x) that represents the number of books read by a student over x weeks. If the student reads 5 books in the first week and increases by 2 books per week, which statement accurately describes the growth pattern? The number of books read increases by 5 every week. The number of books read increases by 2 every week. The number of books read doubles every week. Or the number of books read remains constant over each week. Let's determine the growth pattern. First, the statement that the number of books read increases by 5 every week is incorrect. The increase is by 2 books per week, not 5. Second, the statement that the number of books read doubles every week is also incorrect. Doubling implies exponential growth, but this is linear growth. Third, the statement that the number of books read remains constant each week is also incorrect. The number of books read increases each week. The correct statement is that the number of books read increases by 2 every week. This linear function shows a fixed increase of 2 books per week. So this is the correct answer. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of functions for the Praxis 5162 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Bye for now.